Once the verdict is given by the court, then you'll have to leave the house. Listen to me. I am trying at my end, all that I can do. But Miss Neha, our case is not strong. Those people do everything by the law. And in terms of the document, everything goes against you. God forbid, but if... I think so. It's good to check another option for a house. Miss Neha, don't worry. I told you all this since I want you to know the actual situation. Please don't stress out. I'll speak to bank authorities. Can I go now?
Let me make you some tea.
No. I told you before that I've come here in the middle of important chores. I have to go and finish them. I'll be back. Bye-bye.
Mom, will we go to live in another house?
No, dear. We won't go anywhere else.
Yes, the address is correct. Come on over. I will wait outside and then you will know. Okay? Yes, do come over. Neha? Hey, Neha! The machine is on its way. Heck, you are already here. Did you find the place easily? Huh?
Me?
I told you, turn right at the square and you can't miss it. Now come over here. Come on. The machine vendor is here. See? Come
Hey,
on.
one moment,
Come on.
one
Your
moment.
shoes, please.
Hey,
Come
uncle,
on.
but
Come
listen to
come
me.
on. Don't worry.
Hey,
Come on, have a seat.
but
Sit
but
down.
listen to me. Uncle,
Careful.
Uncle, you're mistaken. I'm a lawyer.
Oh, so you are doing this since the legal business is not doing well. It's okay. You know what? Work is work. There is nothing to discriminate against it as good or bad. Huh? Don't worry.
Please listen.
Come on, now let me tell him. What do you know? Look at this. Here it is. We have to put the machine right here.
Hey,
Okay?
uncle,
Come
but
over
you're
here.
mistaken. Please try to understand.
Your men are bringing the machine right? No problem. You can sit. Neha, I'm so glad you're here. Listen, he came to deliver the machine.
Miss Neha, please tell him. I'm not who he thinks I am.
Uncle, he's not that man. He's the lawyer Paranspe.
Yes, he told me that. I told him he doesn't need to feel bad about anything. Huh?
It's not that, uncle. He's going to help me with my house legalities. That's why he came over.
Oh. Is that so? I thought he's selling the machine.
What is wrong with you?
What? It's an honest mistake. I didn't do this on purpose. Sorry, huh? I was mistaken.
Hey, uncle, this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. But you won't listen to me. Miss Neha, I'll leave now.
Okay, I'm sorry on behalf of uncle. Sorry.
No, Neha, it's okay. I'll leave.
Yes.
Aunt, I'll leave too.
Okay.
Tell me when the washing machine man arrives.
Okay. Why do you bring random people into the house? At least ask who they are.
I said I was mistaken once. You don't have to scold me about that, huh?
You are the limit.
Here it is. Listen, the machine has arrived. Neha, the machine has arrived. Bring the delivery note when you arrive. Yes. Come through. All the instructions are written here. The machine is automatic so there is no need to stress. All you need to do is press a button and the machine will start. If you still need any kind of help, then call us. Who will sign for this?
Neha.
Yes, I'll do.
Neha, explain to me calmly, okay? Then I can do this.
Okay, Auntie. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hi, where's mom?
Mom is at Uncle Bandhu's place. They got a new washing machine, right? You come and look it at once.
Hey, Uncle, what is it?
It's your hard-earned money and you gave it all up for us.
Uncle, I have tons of money and I don't mind the hard work at all. Now, Aunt won't have so much hard work to do. Am I right, Aunt?
My troubles will reduce, right? That is probably what he's worried about.
Aunt, can we perform the prayer?
Yes. Let's perform the prayer.
Uncle, please perform the prayer.
No, dear. This is for you and Pari to do. You both own this thing. These days, even biological kids don't care about their parents. The family members don't even look at each other. And in this scenario, you look after us like we are your parents. No, this is your right.
Aunt, you must.
Neha, he is right. You must perform the prayers.
Let's go, Pari.
Hey, Yash, when did you arrive?
Your washing machine and I arrived together.
Aunt, can I leave? I have work to do.
Yes.
I have to go home and cook,
Okay.
okay? Let's go. Take your bag. Come on, Pari. Let's go.
Congratulations.
How are you?
I'm
Come
fine.
on, come on, come on. Hurry. Let's go. All right, buddy. Take this. Here.
Friend, you came to meet me, right?
Of course I came for you.
Did you get some snacks for me?
No, sorry, I forgot. But do one thing. Ask mom to keep this tiffin so I can fill snacks in this tomorrow and bring it, right?
Pari, don't take that tiffin.
I told you. She won't let go of her tiffin.
I have told you 1,000 times since the morning. This isn't my tiffin. I won't take this back. Now I won't listen to anything. Okay, since you have come, now eat and leave. Until your wife arrives, I'll take care of your meals. How long will you keep eating out? Shefali's mom? Oh God. Aunt will ask me if I have found a boy for Shefali again. Yes, I have found someone. He is right in front of me. Aunt, he is perfect for Shefali. He is correct, Aunt. Should I show him to you?
No, what?
Aunt, look, he's right in front
No,
of
no,
me.
no.
Look at him.
No,
Can you
Neha,
see him?
don't.
Here,
Neha, don't.
Can you see him? Look at him.
Don't.
Aunt, look.
Neha.
Look at him from the back.
Neha,
Now
my
can you
God,
see him?
Neha, hello.
Put the pillow down. Let Aunt see your face. Wait a minute.
Neha, stop it.
Let me show you
Stop
his
it,
face.
please.
Let me show you. Sorry. I was just teasing.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Hey, have dinner and then leave.
I'll come some other day to have dinner. I'm leaving this tiffin right here.
Yes.
Neha, please keep this tiffin. Listen, I'll find your tiffin and bring it over. But keep this tiffin until then, please.
I will keep it on one condition.
What is that?
Agree to meet Shefali's mom and I will keep this tiffin.
God. I'll bring snacks for you the next time, surely, okay? Bye-bye.
Bye.
What is it, Mom? You yell at me when I run around. But now you are running around with my friend. What about that?
Sorry, my darling. I won't do that again. Come on, sit and study. I have lots to do inside.
Do you know we have a new washing machine? Have you seen it? That's nice.
Okay.
Are you leaving, Yash?
Yes.
Come over at times. It feels good.
Okay. And congratulations on the machine.
Oh, thank you.
It's nice.
What do you mean it's nice? Our daughter got it for us. And our daughter is amazing.
Yes.
Okay, see you.
What is this now? Didn't the tiffin lady take the tiffin? What is the matter, Yash? Why are you in silent mode? Did she scold you again?
Tell me, Sameer. Is buying something for the house a very significant event?
Yes, but what is the topic here? I don't understand it.
Neha bought a washing machine for her neighbors, uncle and aunt.
Wow, that's amazing. The tiffin lady is generous. Why is she whining over a tiny tiffin here?
They got a washing machine home, man. Everyone was tearful. Who washes my clothes? Where are they washed? When are they ironed? How are they dried? Who irons them? Who puts them in the cupboard? We have no clue. Whenever I come here, I'm surprised. Folks seek and find joy in such trivial things.
I don't want to eat this. I want a burger. I want a pizza. This phone is too old. I don't want it either. I want pizza and burger. I want pizza and burger. I don't want this.
Hey, you! Pushkaraj! What's going on, huh? This is food! It's food to be eaten. Don't throw it away.
Mr. Agarwal, let me call you later, okay?
Oh, and that cell phone. It's not something you throw away, right? What are you doing? Do you understand? Do you understand any of this?
Uncle, let me speak to him. Leave him alone. He's still young. I'll explain it to him.
What will you explain to him? He won't understand anything, will he? Huh? He stuffed his face and is fat and lazy. He gets everything for free and too much of it. That's why he doesn't value it anymore. Zero. He has zero value for it. Zero.
Who is saying that? You? You yourself are worth nothing. You should not be preaching to others about value and worth.
Hey, listen to me. One moment you...
Uncle, let it go.
Yash, wait. Listen. Go on. Let me order a pizza for you. Go on.
Pizza. Car.
Vishwajit,
Yes.
listen me. How dare you to treat my son that way? Who do you think you are? What is bothering you? The way he behaves? So are you going to tell us how to behave now?
Is that so?
Listen, Vishwajit. I pay for my son's expenses. That's why whatever I give him and how he uses it, it is up to him. You don't need to tell him. I would give him 50 such cell phones, not just one, okay?
One moment.
And this is it. All you can do is get drunk and come home and make a scene.
Aunt, what are you saying?
No, one moment. Let us speak. Let us speak. Tell me, are you done? Do you want to say any more? My behavior shames you, right? But why do I behave this way? Why did I turn out this way? Don't you really understand why it happened?
What do you mean? Why should I know about it?
Is that so? You don't know about it? My life has been destroyed because of you. You did all of this. You.
Enough.
It's not because of anything else.
Enough.
You did all of
I
this.
said
Sit.
enough.
Are you going to tell me?
Your behavior is totally on you, Vishwajit. Don't blame us for no reason. I don't have the spare time to sit and talk to you.
Is that right? Apart from me,
Get
you
lost.
have... One moment. Who did you say get lost to? One moment.
Wait a moment. Wait
right
a
there.
moment.
Who did you say get lost to?
Sit.
That is it. She's the one. Hey, what is going on, huh? She said all that to me. What does she think?
Uncle, sit. Please. Here, have some water.
No. I don't want it.
Do this later.
Tell me? You tell me too.
I have nothing to say.
How can it be? You should speak. You have a right to speak. I don't matter. I'm used to listening to everyone speak now. Tell me. You tell me too. You are ashamed of me and my behavior, right?
To be honest, I have to say thanks to you.
What?
Thank you. Because after many days today, even if it is in a fit of anger, I have seen the family talk to each other today. Can I request you to do something?
Yes. Go ahead.
Don't drink liquor, give it up. Please.
Liquor. No. That's all that I have to hold on to. Everyone else has left me. Everybody. If I give up even the liquor, I'll feel really alone. I will be really alone. It will leave me when I pass on.
But what has happened to make you drink so much? What's happened?
What can I say to you and how do I say it? If you know the real reason, then you will go away from me forever. You will not like me.
I'm talking to you. Tell me what happened. I keep asking you what happened. Please tell me.
No. You ask me many times and every time I tell you, I can't answer this question. I can't answer it. I can't tell you about this.